What up, YouTube? I am the Doombringer. This is the Lair, and I'm back with another reaction video. Hope all you guys find yourself doing good. Today, I'm just gonna pick something off my Discover Weekly on Spotify. If you don't have Spotify, I suggest you get it. It is an amazing app. I love it. Yeah, this is a song called Diabolical Sound by a group called Diabolic. I've never heard of them, didn't research them, didn't do anything like that. So this is they're new to me, just like they're going to be new to you guys, I hope. If not, if you guys have heard of them before, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about them. But without further ado, let's get into this one. It's a Diabolical Sound by Diabolic.
The whole underworld worries me less than a single man. Diabolic.
Impact. I'm raising hell with syntax like Satan cast an ancient spell on this track. An angel fell who stays compelled to spit raps, and what the major sell, he ain't afraid to tell you shit's whack. Now blaze an L and sit back, crack a six-pack and sip that till it's pitch black while you chit-chat. It's that dark side of a psychopath, blacking out so we don't see the light in the righteous path. He'll strike as fast as lightning with Titans clash, smash your mics in half, laughing like he's siphoned nitrous gas. Type of rap from Old Testament stories told. Anything you do to me's coming back 40-fold.
Okay, so this is pretty good. You know, this guy he can rap. He's got bars, that's for sure. He's not mumbling or doing any of that shit. So he's definitely got some skills. You know, he's on beat. He's not doing that offbeat crap. Offbeat rapping. I can't stand that stuff. But so far, this is pretty good. It almost sounds like it's got a little bit of an old school feel to it, I think. This is my cup of tea anyway, so I'm happy with it so far. Let's keep going.
40 days and 40 nights, then 40 shows with shorty so horny they want my dick in a glory hole. So y'all should know I will murder these tracks till I'm on my last leg like an amputee's kneecap. It seems that every time I hear MCs rap, the voices in my head scream at me saying he's whack. These cats act like bitches, their vaginas sore, like dinosaurs crawled out their cervix in their hymen tore. I'm a for war on the Long Island shore, swinging a rap with 7 head by his spinal cord. In a blind rage on a drunken tirade, there's a diversion on me, a cream mastermind, a crime wave.
I like the sample of with the Diabolical sound coming through your speaker. I don't remember what that's from, but I like that sample, that old school sample. That's cool. But yeah, so far this is a good jam. I'll probably listen more to this guy.
Every verse I brainstorm makes hurricanes form. Wind gusts and flip trucks, rain and burning napalm. Too many rappers here get on my nerves to stay calm. Put on the radio and heard the same songs all day long. It's mind numbing like Dr. Squeezing forceps to load my brain with Novocaine to my cerebral cortex. Season war vet, piss on these people's doorsteps like suck my dick soaked in 3 weeks of raw sweat. My co-following shares the same perspective. They die for their beliefs like Dave Koresh in Waco, Texas. Deranged and reckless when I say it's infectious. Plus, Primus scratching, Toledo snapping, break the records. The label Preston, giving y'all the extreme. A sick fuck like sex scenes from Ed Gein's wet dreams. I'm getting open, a soul with less emotion. Cold as the cryogenic potion, Walt Disney's head is frozen. Set in motion, and momentum's building up. I can feel the rush like a vanilla Dutch filled with dust. This high-class dime's attached to my shaft, and I'm fast to getting their guts like gastric bypass. Why?
So I like he's creative, man. I like his wordplay. He's pretty much using, you know, everything from surgery to social media. He's pretty much throwing everything in here and he's tying them all together. So I like this a lot. Like I said, I gotta look this guy up and see who he is and where he's from and if he's from another group or anything like that. But I like this. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. I mean, sounds pretty good to me though.
Ask why, I'm bat not lash, and if you're after my cash, then kiss the crack of
so yeah, man, that was a dope track. It's a dope song. I don't have nothing bad to say about that. You know, he's got skills. The beat was good. It wasn't boring. Kept my attention. Didn't sound like, you know, it doesn't sound like much of anything else, like the newer stuff does these days. So yeah, I'll give this one a thumbs up, man. I like this one. I added it to my playlist, so that'll be on there for me to listen to later. And yeah, that's about it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this one. So yeah, you know, if you like what I'm doing, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit your little bell button so you'll know when I post more content. And you know, follow me on all my social media. I'm Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I'm all Doombringer the Layer on all of them. So it's not hard to find. There's not too many Doombringers. So, but yeah, that being said, man, hope everybody has a good evening, morning, afternoon, whenever it is that you watch this. And see you on the next go around. Later.